Hey there, I'm Tony Tembo, and this is EAM QuickFix, where we break down asset management into bite-sized brilliance. Today's fix, the work management process. It's the heartbeat of maintenance and reliability, your roadmap from chaos to clarity. Let's walk through the 5 essential steps that keep your assets working and your team winning. Step 1. Spot the right job. No guesswork, just clarity. Whether it's a breakdown, inspection, or improvement, it starts with knowing what needs attention. Step 2. Prep with precision. Scope the task, gather the tools, and line up the parts. Good planning turns reactive chaos into proactive control. Step 3. Time it smart. Merge the right crew to the right moment. Minimize downtime, maximize impact. Step 4. Get it done. Safely, efficiently, and by the book. Execution is where preparation meets performance. Step 5. Learn and optimize, capture feedback, update records, and use what you learn to do it better next time. That's how reliability grows. Next up, step 1. Spot the right job, cut the noise, and kick off maintenance with clarity. Hit subscribe for your next quick fix.